Hey, this is Rick. This is a follow-up video of the squash bug attack. I went through and took all of the infested leaves that were just loaded with squash bugs. I put them in a bag. We're, I'd say about 99% eliminated. I went through and you can just, right there, get rid of them. I looked for leaves that had little red egg sacs underneath them. We got those all removed. Is that one there? No, that's a dead one. But I think we've got this under control. Hopefully it didn't get too bad to the point where we lose the entire plant. But right next to it, I've got two others coming in, pumpkins coming in. And then there's another one there. And then another one right over there next to that pepper plant. So it won't be a loss. It's just, it's a big max. And we were looking forward to some nice pumpkins this year. Oh, well, I'll keep you posted. Take care. And all I did is I put the Scottsdale peppermint soap in there, water, and then just a little bit of Dawn dishwashing soap. Shook it up, sprayed it, and it started to have an effect on the bugs. Oh, right here. Right there's one. You just squeeze them and they pop like a grape. Right, that's all I got. We're cleaned up, I think. We'll keep you posted. Take care. Happy gardening, everybody.